What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous, one of the most revered of all Burgundy's estate, one of the oldest, most revered family-run domains in Burgundy that is located in Gevrey-Chambertin in the Côte de Nuit in Bourgogne, so we are in France of course. Some of the top wines made by Armand Rousseau include the Clos Jacques, a Promier cru vineyard of Gevrey-Chambertin, as well as many top Grand Cru vineyards in Chambertin, including Charme Chambertin, Mazy Chambertin, Mazoyer Chambertin, and Le Chambertin Grand Cru. How do you go about pronouncing this? Domaine Armand Rousseau. The D to Armand is silent, so do not say Armand, but rather Armand. Armand Rousseau. Domaine Armand Rousseau. Typical French pronunciation, Domaine Armand Rousseau. Domaine Armand Rousseau. Domaine Armand Rousseau. Here are many more videos if you like learning more about your vino. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.